Cinco de Mayo is right around the corner, and I wanted to honor the day with something special. Instead of the usual icons, I'm using a Talavera-style pattern, traditional geometric art, and applying it to a bison. The detail within the fur is intense. Every triangle and flower pattern represents the vibrant artisan history of Mexico. I adjusted the border to give it this bold, framed look. It really makes the central figure pop against the grain. Strength and heritage in one piece. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Check the description for the full breakdown. Sub for more, L.